Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK with another video. And this video we're gonna learn how to find out your YouTube channel ID or URL number. This with the two methods. The first one will be your desktop computer, PC or any laptop, and the second one will be your cell phone, like I will be using iPhone. So let's get started. First one, I'm starting with the desktop computer. To do this one, you have to log in your YouTube channel and click on your channel, and then you can click on setting at the right hand. Then you go to the left hand side. You see here at all the way down, you say advanced settings. Click on the advanced settings, and over here you say YouTube user ID and YouTube channel ID. Now let's move to second method with the iPhone. You open Safari, you type YouTube, and if you open it, it's gonna take to you to YouTube app if you have on your iPhone. And if you try to go to settings, you cannot find a URL number. So what basically you have to do, you have to go back on Safari and type YouTube desktop. Then scroll down, and you will see channel switcher YouTube. You're gonna click on it, then it will take you to your iPhone at a desktop mode, and you can type your channel name, like mine is JK Baljit Johal. I will press at the first one on top is my channel. When I click on it, at the top at the address bar, that's my YouTube channel ID and URL number. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and leave any comment if you have it. Thank you for watching.